Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present a mystery that involves 1, 2, 3 little balls and 1, 2, 3 cups. I take the first ball, set it on top of the cup, and cover it with the other 2 and give it a wave. And if you see, the ball actually melts through the cup. We'll do it again, but instead of 1 little cup, we'll make it melt through 2. Now watch. With 2 waves and a snap, the little ball actually jumps through the cups. Now this time we'll make it a little harder on the ball, as now I'll take it and put it in my pocket, and now it'll have to travel through time and space to go underneath the cup. Watch. If you see now, there's 1, 2, 3 little balls underneath the cup. The cups and the balls is a mystery that's over 2,000 years old. And it does involve 3 little balls and 3 little cups. But the secret is there's a 4th ball. Now what we're doing is something called the one ahead principle, meaning that you're 1 ahead of the audience. Now when you begin, you have the 3 little balls on the top cup, just like this. And then you have your 4th ball hidden in the 2nd cup. Now I display them like this. I show that we have 3 little balls. And now what's really important with this trick is the way you set down the cups. What you need to do is grab the cup from the bottom, like so, and drop it down. And what that does is that holds, through gravity, the 4th ball underneath the cup. Once again, I take them out, and then I lift from the bottom, I pull it down from the bottom, and I set it down. Same one like this. Now, the important thing is to make this feel as natural as possible. So I recommend just spending a few hours or an hour just practicing setting the cups down. So now where you're at is you have 1, 2, 3 balls in front of the cups, and then you have your little helper ball, the hidden ball, underneath cup number 2. I take this ball, I set it on top, and lift these 2 cups and set them down on top of it, and I snap or I do a wiggle. Whatever you want the magic to be, when that happens, you're now showing the 4th ball as if it was the 1st ball. Now, I do the same motion with the cups, and I take this ball and I say, I'm going to make it harder. I'm going to take and put it over 2 cups. So now where you're at is you have 1 ball on top and you have 2 balls on the bottom, but the audience doesn't know that yet. Then you take this cup and you put it on top. Now with a wiggle or a snap or the words alakazam or the real magic words, please and thank you, and the ball jumps through the cup. So now you have an extra ball underneath or inside cup number 3, and you have this ball here. Now I set down the first cup underneath, so you have 3 balls here. And now I take this one and I put it in my pocket. Now this is something that's called ending clean, because when you're done with the trick, they can examine all of this. Now this is when the acting or when the magic comes, because I go, now it's going to have to travel through space and time and go underneath the cup. Watch. And there you have it. 1, 2, 3 little balls and 1, 2, 3 little cups. That is the cups and balls.